Hello guys, this is Sunil here and today we are going to unbox and install this GADGETSHIELDZ screen protector with installation kit for Samsung Galaxy A50. So I have already bought several of these for my other smartphones, even for my relatives' smartphones also. So this is for my Samsung Galaxy A50, this one with an installation kit. So now let's unbox and see how good it is. Actually, I really love GADGETSHIELDZ installation of screen protector because they are not like a tempered glass. They won't feel like much bulky and also increase the thickness of the smartphone. Instead, it is really protective, but also they can protect your smartphones from very hard scratches like that, because they have the eye heal technology. Even though if you scratch the screen protector, they will get healed like what we saw on the LG G Flex 2 around 4 years or 3 years back. We saw in their back panel gets auto healed, such like that this screen protector will also get the healing process, so they will not be in a permanent mark. So that's the only thing. So first of all, let's see. Actually, here they have mentioned stop do the right thing, because they have released 2 videos where they shows how to install the protector with 2 types or two type of variances. Because if you get the installation kit, you can install in a process. I will just surely put the link in the description so you can go over and check that videos. And if you don't have an installation kit, you can go ahead with the normal installation that actually they have posted, but you have to surely watch the video before installing this kit. So here we got the kit itself. We have a microfiber cloth applier. Actually it helps you to take out the bubbles or some kind of gaps in the screen protector by giving such force. And here we got is the GADGETSHIELDZ application solution. This is not a cleaner solution, it's an application solution. So you should not go and use this for just cleaning your smartphone. This is an application solution. It helps you to apply the screen protector fully without any kind of gaps and such things. So let's see what's inside this. So here's the screen protector itself. Packaging is really great. I really love the packaging also. It's really safe. And here we go. This is the screen protector. And also we get the gap for the notch also. I think you could see. So I cannot install the screen protector during the live camera, so I will continue with while I finish the installation itself. That's it guys. It looks like this after installation. So I will just explain you what are the things I did. So I just followed the first way of installation using the installation kit, because that's perfect. The second option may have some disadvantages, like they won't heal the bubbles for a while. But if you use the installation kit, you can also get these bubbles vanish off within 4 to 5 days, because the application gel liquid is designed in such a way to actually cure these bubbles. And also the application will be much easier. Even the dust inside the stuck inside the film protector can be also removed much easier when you actually do with the installation kit. So that's the advantages. But also you require a heat gun to actually get this edges installed perfectly. So I think you guys could see these bubbles. You should not panic about these kind of bubbles inside, because you should wait up to 4 to 5 days or even 7 days for getting this whole bubbles to get cured. Because most of the time after installation, if you see like this, you may actually worry about the design and look. But don't worry about it. Within 4 to 5 days, these bubbles will surely get vanished off because of the room temperature reaction itself. So this is guys, it's looking really great, out of my expectations. And also I feel my A50 screen got some protection now, no more scratches and such things. So this is how it looks. The bubbles will get vanished off within 5 days. I'm damn sure, because I have already used this screen protectors more than twice times. And this is how A50 looks. The edges are really covered. The in-display fingerprint sensor still works, no issues. I will explain you later about it, because There are some dust particles may have, yeah, I think you could see that. But don't let any bubbles stay on the in-display fingerprint sensor area, because it won't sense properly then. That's it, it works fine. So the camera layout is also really great. I just done this application twice the times to get the layout correctly set it up, because you have to note this one. Most of the time the full screen smartphones will not have any kind of clue for you to install, so you have to be very careful. So I will surely demonstrate when I actually apply a screen protector on the OnePlus 7 Pro, because it doesn't have any kind of camera layout, they are plain. So I will explain how to do that in that video. And in this video you could see the A50 got a perfect installation of the screen protector itself. But still, this is 90% of the perfect installation. You can also do more perfect if you are going to be more time taken, or you are going to do such things. You are going to be more patient. You are going to get much more perfect installation than me even, because I got lots of bubbles and even 2 dust particles stuck. So you can be even more secure compared to this one actually. But the installation, apart from installation, you can see the quality of the screen protector is really great. And from my advice, if you use Gadget Shield's screen protector, you are not going to get any kind of scratches. Even it can protect your smartphone screen from accidental drops, and the screen will not break much easier. That's the only thing I really love the Gadget Shield screen protector, because using a tempered glass will increase the thickness of the smartphones. Looks like a big hump in the smartphone screen, so I don't want such things. I just want to be made more simple and plain and looks great. The bubbles will surely get vanished off, that I have a trust on it, because I have used more than twice the times the same screen protector with different smartphones. So thanks for watching guys. Subscribe my channel for future updates. See you on next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.